Hey guys, another radio out of the pile. This one we have a KRIS Victor 23 channel CB radio. It's got volume on and off, it's got squelch, it's got mic gain, A&L on and off, CB PA, channel selector, microphone, transmit light, receive light, and on the back of the radio we have PA, external speaker, antenna connector, and power. And I don't know what that is there, or jack there. Not sure what that one there's supposed to do. There's a jack on it. No idea. No clue. This particular unit I've seen there on YouTube, that there is a version of this 23 channel radio that has a digital 23 channel display, and it sits right here in this little opening here. You can see there's a little opening, and it would sit right where the Victor name is. That would be cut out, and there'd be an LED display put there. So there's actually a digital version of this radio. Internally, I got no idea. It powers up, but that's about all it does. We'll do another video on this one later. But internally, it looks a lot like an old commercial radio. Almost like, you know, if you worked on Heathkit VHF rigs. The board got the same kind of look and feel to it, same color, same, you know, same everything. So I'm wondering if Heathkit might have used the same manufacturer for their circuit boards and circuits as KRIS used, or maybe perhaps KRIS used the same supplier that made the Heathkit boards. But I mean, that looks amazingly the same color scheme, everything as the Heathkit 2-meter VHF radio. I mean, look at that. The capacitors, the inductors, like it's got the same color. Like, amazing. This one has a couple of issues. I got a random wire down here cut off. Not sure where that's supposed to go. The mic gain down below has a few solder blobs going on there, so I don't know what's going on with that. On top of that, we have a loose locking nut for the mic connector. The bulbs are missing for the transmit, and the receive bulbs are missing. It appears the audio wire is broke off on the pin on the microphone connector. So, yeah, it's got a few issues. Nothing too serious. I'm sure we can manage to figure it out. That's a pretty cool little radio, boy. It's a KRIS Incorporated, Cedarburg, Wisconsin, 53012. Synthesized 23 channel citizen band radio. Transceiver, power source 13.8 volt, 1.5 amp, positive or negative ground. Use only a 2 amp fuse, type accepted. FCC rules and regulations, part 95, FCC type. Number Victor 416123, serial number 013265, made in the USA. Made in the United States. Everyone else made in China. But it's a cool little radio. I'll be doing a video on this one. We'll see if we can get this beast going. Wire microphone and everything up to it. Hey folks, there's a little video for you. There's a little radio. Got one more radio to show you. That'll be another repair, I'm thinking. And we'll see what's up with that one. Alright, folks. This is the KRIS VICTOR 23 channel CB radio. All the best, folks.